Two insurance giants face off, but when you need protection, which one truly has your back? On one side we have Allstate, known for its reassuring slogan and widespread presence. On the other, Travelers, a long-standing name with a reputation for reliability. Let's set aside the marketing slogans and see what really matters. We'll score each key category, and in the end you'll have a clear answer on who wins. And trust me, the final verdict could surprise you. Okay, before we get into the nitty-gritty, here's how we're comparing these two. We're looking at price, coverage options, customer service, claims experience, digital tools, and finally, availability and financial strength. Ready? Let's roll. Let's start with price because come on, who doesn't want to save a few bucks? With Allstate, you get some decent multi-policy discounts and even accident forgiveness, which sounds pretty sweet, right? But honestly, their rates do tend to be a bit pricier than the national average. On the flip side, Travelers is kinda the budget hero here. Their pricing is super competitive, and if you're a safe driver or up for bundling policies, you'll see even more discounts. The trade-off, they're not as generous with big accident forgiveness. In the price category, Travelers takes the win. Moving on to coverage options, Allstate, pretty much pulls out all the stops here. Super flexible policies, extra stuff like new car replacement and even rideshare coverage, and those extras. Yeah, they might inch your premium up a bit, but the customization is legit. Travelers, meanwhile, offers strong basics and yes, some named accident forgiveness, but honestly their extras aren't quite as unique as Allstate. So if you want choices, Allstate's your leader here. Now, customer service, so Allstate is everywhere. Like you want a local agent, they've probably got one down the street and their app ratings aren't too shabby either. But just keeping it real, customer complaint levels are a tad above average. Travelers, meanwhile, isn't as agent-heavy in every region, but they crush it on phone and web support, and they actually have the fewest complaints among the big carriers, according to NAIC. This one tilts towards Allstate just for that in-person local connection. Oh, and here's something cool before we wrap up. Did you know Travelers has been insuring cars for like forever? We're talking since 1897. That's wild. Imagine what those carriages looked like. Alright, let's talk claims experience, which is huge, especially when something actually goes wrong. Allstate is quick on the simple stuff, but let's just say there are some mixed feelings online about their claim payouts. Recent delays have people talking, which isn't great. Travelers, on the other hand, get some major kudos here. Strong J.D. Power ratings for claim satisfaction, super easy digital claims, though in some states you can't do those fancy in-app photo claims. But overall, Travelers feels smoother if you want the hassle-free route, so they come out on top for claims. On to digital tools, Allstate's app. People love it, it's got awards, and DriveWise is this cool program where you get rewards for actually driving well. Only thing, sometimes you need an agent to set up the fancier stuff. With Travelers, it's IntelliDrive that tracks your habits, plus they have a pretty sweet web portal. A few folks worry about privacy with the monitoring, but honestly both these guys are pretty tech-forward, so I'm calling this one a tie. And lastly, availability and financial strength. Honestly, no drama here, both are available in all 50 states and their ratings from AM Best are impressive. Allstate clocks an A+, which is excellent, but not to be outdone, Travelers actually nabs an A++, so that's like superstar status. Realistically, you're super safe with either company in this category, so let's call it a tie. To give you the big picture, here's a look at how they stack up side by side across our categories. Some wins for Allstate, others for Travelers, and a couple of clear ties. So, here's my take. If you want tons of coverage options and like the idea of chatting things over at a local office, Allstate just feels right. But if price is what sways you, or you want a smoother experience with claims, Travelers is definitely worth a close look. They're both solid, but they do shine in different places. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to follow for more insurance insights. I've got plenty more coming your way.